Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Coinbase wallet application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Coinbase wallet application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the app, simply go ahead and open up your app store and search for Coinbase wallet. Simply tap on the download button right next to the Coinbase wallet app. Since I've already downloaded the app on my device, it's only displaying me to open up the app. Simply tap on the open button to launch the app open. Now, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface as soon as you do that. If you don't have a wallet yet for a Coinbase wallet, tap on the create a new wallet button in blue. If you already have one, tap on I already have a wallet. You can now go ahead and restore your wallet with your recovery phrases. Tap on restore with recovery phrase and on the next page, simply type in the 12-word recovery phrases that you were given while you created your previous wallet. Once you do that, tap next. Now, go through the legal policies of Coinbase wallet one by one and simply tap on the accept button at the bottom. Pick a username for your wallet and tap on done. Set your privacy preference for your wallet. You can either set it to public or private. If you set it to public, other wallet users can search for your username and send you crypto. If you'd like to receive crypto like that, then you can set it to public. But if you don't want other wallet users to search for you, then set it to private. Let me go ahead and pick public and tap on the next button at the bottom. You can protect your wallet by adding an extra layer of security to keep your crypto safe. You can go ahead and set up a passcode to do so, or you can use your Face ID. Let me just go ahead and use my Face ID option. Tap on OK in order to allow your wallet to use your Face ID. You can also set up a passcode. Simply go ahead and tap on set up passcode and type in a passcode for yourself. Confirm your passcode one more time by typing it again. And there you are going to be signed in to Coinbase wallet quick and easy. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and back up your wallet. You'll be shown a secret recovery phrase on the next screen. This will be your only key to your wallet. If your phone is lost or stolen, you'll be allowed to recover access to your wallet with the phrases. Tap on I understand box at the bottom and tap on backup now. If you want to do it later, tap later. And that is how you'll be able to log into your Coinbase wallet app quick and easy using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.